What is happiness? Is it wealth, success, pleasure? Or is it something deeper? For thousands of years, Buddhism has taught that true happiness does not come from external possessions, but from inner peace, wisdom, and compassion. Buddhism begins with a simple but profound truth: suffering is a part of life. This is known as dukkha. Everything we love and enjoy is impermanent. We chase after happiness through material possessions, relationships, and achievements, but these are fleeting. Buddhism encompasses a profound and nuanced understanding of happiness, which centers on the cultivation of inner peace and contentment, rather than reliance on external factors. This philosophy asserts that authentic happiness is achieved through personal development, ethical conduct, and mental clarity. The foundation of the Four Noble Truths. At the core of Buddhist teachings lie the Four Noble Truths, which elucidate the nature of suffering and the pathway to liberation from it. These truths can be articulated as follows. The first noble truth, dukkha, recognizes that suffering is an intrinsic aspect of human existence, manifesting in myriad forms including physical pain, emotional turmoil, and existential dissatisfaction. The second noble truth, samadaya, identifies the roots of suffering as stemming from craving and attachment. This insatiable longing can compel individuals to pursue fleeting pleasures, ultimately culminating in disillusionment and suffering. The third noble truth, nirodha, posits that the cessation of suffering is attainable through the relinquishment of desires and attachments. This state of liberation is frequently equated with enduring happiness and profound inner peace. The fourth noble truth, magga, outlines the Eightfold Path, a systematic means to achieve liberation and contentment.
We suffer not because of life itself, but because of our attachment to things that are always changing. Happiness is not in holding on, but in letting go. If worldly pleasures cannot bring lasting happiness, then what can? The Buddha taught that happiness comes from within, by understanding the nature of the mind and freeing ourselves from desires and aversions. Right view, seeing life as it truly is. Right intention, cultivating good intentions. Right speech, speaking truthfully and kindly. Right action, acting ethically and compassionately. Right livelihood, earning a living without harming others. Right effort, making a conscious effort to grow. Right mindfulness, being present in each moment. Right concentration, meditating to develop inner peace. The power of compassion and loving kindness. Another key to happiness in Buddhism is compassion. When we cultivate metta, or loving kindness, we free ourselves from self-centered desires. Happiness expands when shared. When I stopped chasing happiness and started giving to others, I felt more at peace. Compassion is a source of true joy. Meditation is the practice of calming the mind. By observing our thoughts and emotions without attachment, we free ourselves from suffering. Through mindfulness, we experience happiness in the present moment. Buddhism teaches that ultimate happiness, nirvana, is the cessation of suffering. It is not an external place, but a state of liberation. Free from craving, free from fear, free from attachment. So what is true happiness? It is not in seeking, but in understanding. Not in grasping, but in letting go. Through wisdom, compassion, and mindfulness, we can find a happiness that is lasting, deep, and unshakable. Namo Buddhaya. Thank you for watching. You want to more video? Please subscribe this channel